Very, very demanding, this Fox and Hounds circuit. Look at the bumps, look at the twists, look at the turns, and you have to be really on top of the riding to keep on the machine in circumstances like this. Nelson goes through, and Kenny Gardner is up into 4th position. He's ahead of Bergman. So the Austrian has started to climb through the field. There is Nelson ahead of him. There is Kenny Gardner gaining. He's coming right up alongside him, and he's going to take through. He doesn't. He drops back. Kenny Gardner's still in 4th position, but he's really pressing, and Nelson looks to me as though he's in trouble. Andy Nichols flying almost literally over the bumps of the Fox and Hounds circuit, and now he's got a long lead over Jeremy Watley. Nichols is pressing the point. He's pulling away from that man, Jeremy Watley, in 2nd place. There's Nichols. And there's Watley. And there are the 5th, 6th and 7th men, Nelson, Belcaniers and Dolce, because now Kenny Gardner and Bergman have gone up to 3rd and 4th positions. Watley still in 2nd position, but Kenny Gardner is the man to watch. Kenny Gardner is really flying, the man who's leading the World Championship, as Nichols and there Watley go through, is climbing up through the field. He's gaining points. And Kenny Gardner, there he is, Kenny Gardner is in 3rd position now. You get 15 points to add to the 110 that he's already got. And Jeremy Watley is starting to gain on Nichols. And they're catching Klaus Kenny Gardner, that's Heinz's brother. And he's about to be lapped, number 17 there. And Nichols and Watley are absolutely together, over the jump. Nichols going through, he's pulled away a bit from Jeremy Watley. Well, Nichols has got it going, the crowd's waving him on. He's almost home, he hasn't got very far to go now. But once again, Jeremy Watley is piling on the pressure. He's really twisting the grip at the right-hand end of his handlebars, and the Suzuki is going, and so is Watley. Look at him round that left-hander. He's got Nichols in his sights. He's really closing in the last stages of the first of 2 legs of this British 250 Motocross Grand Prix as Kenny Gardner goes flying through. Now, can Andy Nichols literally keep his cool? That's the last lap. Andy Nichols has got a very experienced campaigner, Jim Watley, there he is, crowding him hard on the last lap. And Nichols is staying there. He's keeping that lead. Watley 2nd, Kenny Gardner 3rd. Uphill to victory. Andy Nichols can almost see the flag now. He does see it, he's won. Jeremy Watley takes 2nd position. Kenny Gardner takes 3rd place. And in 4th position, Sven Berggren, 5th place, Mark Belcaniers. So a superb ride and a first ever Grand Prix leg win for 19-year-old Andy Nichols on his Japanese Kawasaki. In the process, handsomely beating one of the best in the business, Suzuki Works rider Jeremy Watley. And at the end of it, he looked as fresh as paint and ready for more.
Jeremy seemed to tire halfway through the race, so I took the chance and got the lead when I could. A bit dicey in some places, a bit slippery in some. Staying on.
And what about going into that first bend?
Off the start?
Yes.
Well, I knew you had to be in the first 3 or 4 to get around there safely because it'd be very bunched and crowded, and there's usually someone that falls off. So I hope for the best start. It's a good one.
Watley finished 1-2